The Sukhoi Su-30 stands as one of the most capable and versatile fighter aircraft of the modern era. Developed by Russia's Sukhoi Design Bureau, this twin-seat, twin-engine multi-role fighter was designed not only to dominate aerial combat, but also to perform precision ground attacks, long-range strikes, and complex interception missions. Emerging from the legendary flanker family, the Su-30 represents the perfect balance between raw power, agility, and technological sophistication. First introduced in the 1990s as an evolution of the Su-27, the Su-30 was initially intended for long-range interception missions. However, through decades of technological refinement and modernization, it evolved into a formidable multi-role aircraft adopted by several air forces worldwide, including India, China, Malaysia, Algeria, and Indonesia. Its ability to adapt to diverse mission profiles, coupled with exceptional endurance and combat capabilities, has solidified the Su-30's reputation as one of the most respected fighters in service today. Origins and development. The evolution of the flanker leg-aside story of the Su-30 began in the late 1980s. During the final years of the Soviet Union, building upon the success of the Su-27 flanker, Sukhoi engineers sought to develop a version optimized for command and control missions and extended-range operations. The resulting aircraft, originally designated Su-27Pu, featured advanced avionics, in-flight refueling capability, and a second cockpit for a weapons systems officer. By the early 1990s, after the dissolution of the Soviet Union, Sukhoi rebranded and further refined the aircraft as the Su-30. The design was subsequently divided into several variants tailored for export and domestic use. The Russian Air Force operated the Su-30OSM and Su-30OM2 variants, while the international market saw customized versions like the Su-30OMKI for India, Su-30OMKK for China, and Su-30OMKA for Algeria. Each variant incorporated specific avionics and weapon systems suited to the needs of its operator, demonstrating the design's remarkable adaptability. The Su-30 thus became a symbol of Russia's ability to combine combat power with engineering flexibility, ensuring the aircraft's continued relevance across decades of military aviation progress, design, and aerodynamics, a perfect balance of power and grace. Su-30's design philosophy mirrors that of its predecessor, the Su-27, but with several key improvements to enhance multi-role performance. Its airframe is constructed largely from lightweight aluminum lithium alloys, providing strength without excessive weight. The aircraft measures approximately 21.9 meters in length with a wingspan of 14.7 meters, giving it an imposing yet graceful silhouette. One of the Su-30's defining characteristics is its thrust vectoring capability on variants like the Su-30OMKI and Su-30OSM, which allows the aircraft to perform advanced aerial maneuvers that few other fighters can match. By directing the engine's exhaust nozzles in different directions, the Su-30 can achieve extreme agility, performing the legendary Cobra and tail slide maneuvers with remarkable control. This agility, combined with a powerful fly-by-wire control system and relaxed static stability design, gives the Su-30 an edge in close-range dogfights. Yet its aerodynamic efficiency and large internal fuel capacity also allow it to excel in long-range missions, giving it the endurance to project power far beyond national borders, engines, and performance. Powering supremacy in the sky, at the heart of the Su-30 lies a pair of Saturn AL-31F turbofan engines, each capable of producing 12,500 kilograms of thrust with afterburner. Certain variants, such as the Su-30OMKI and Su-30OSM, use an upgraded AL-31FP version with thrust vectoring capability. This immense power gives the aircraft a top speed of approximately Mach 2.0 around 2,120 kilometers per hour and a service ceiling of 17,300 meters. The Su-30's range, particularly with in-flight refueling, exceeds 3,000 kilometers, allowing it to patrol vast airspaces or conduct deep strike missions without external support. What truly distinguishes the Su-30 from other fourth-generation fighters is its combination of speed, range, and payload. The aircraft can carry up to 8,000 kilograms of ordnance on 12 hardpoints, ranging from air-to-air missiles and laser-guided bombs to long-range cruise missiles. This flexibility allows it to perform a wide range of missions, from defensive interceptions to offensive deep strike operations, with equal efficiency, avionics, and radar systems. The eyes and brain of the Su-30, the Su-30, is equipped with advanced avionics that enable it to operate effectively in both air superiority and ground attack roles. Depending on the variant, the aircraft typically carries the N011 MBARS or Urbisi radar. Both powerful passive electronically scanned ray PASA systems, the N011 MBARS radar, found in the Su-30MKI and Su-30SM, provides exceptional detection range, up to 140 kilometers against aerial targets and 300 kilometers against large surface targets. It can track up to 15 targets simultaneously and engage for at once, giving pilots the ability to maintain situational awareness even in complex combat environments. Complementing the radar system is a sophisticated suite of navigation and targeting aids, including an electro-optical infrared search and track IRST system, helmet-mounted display, and laser rangefinder. These allow pilots to engage targets even when radar emissions are turned off, a valuable capability in stealth-conscious operations. The avionics architecture also integrates digital flight computers, multifunction displays, and data link systems for real-time communication and coordination with other aircraft. This network-centric design makes the Su-30 not just a fighter, but also an airborne command asset capable of coordinating large-scale missions, armament, and combat capabilities, precision and power combined. Su-30's weapons arsenal is as impressive as its flight performance. Its primary armament includes the GSH-3 130mm cannon, capable of delivering devastating firepower during close-range engagements for air combat. The Su-30 can carry an array of short, medium, and long-range missiles, including the R-73 AA-11 Archer, R-77 AA-12 Adder, and R-27 AA-10 Alamo. These missiles allow the aircraft to engage multiple targets at varying distances, from within visual range dogfights to beyond visual range confrontations, and ground attack missions. The Su-30 can deploy a diverse mix of precision-guided munitions, such as the KH-29, KH-31, and KH-59 missiles, as well as CAB series guided bombs. This flexibility gives it the ability to strike heavily defended ground targets, naval vessels, and enemy infrastructure with pinpoint accuracy. Some variants are even equipped with anti-ship missiles like the KH-35 or KH-31A. Enhancing the Su-30's maritime strike potential, the aircraft's ability to deliver both conventional and advanced weaponry with equal precision underscores its reputation as a true multi-role powerhouse. Global operators and export success. Su-30's versatility and performance have made it one of Russia's most successful export fighters. Over a dozen countries operate or have operated Su-30 variants, each customized to meet specific operational requirements.